In a small Canadian town, a curious young girl finds a mysterious map. Lily's heart races as she uncovers a hidden treasure map in the woods. The friends eagerly follow the map's clues, but their digging leads to disappointment. Together, they discover the ancient origins of the mysterious map. Seeking guidance, they turn to the town historian for help deciphering the map. The historian's words spark a new understanding in the young explorers. With a sense of accomplishment, they donate the map to preserve their town's history. The map's unveiling surprises everyone, changing the way they see their town's past. Together, they reflect on their journey and the pride of contributing to their town's legacy.
Twinkle's Celestial Harmony, a Mysterical Story.
In a faraway galaxy, a tiny star gleamed amidst the vast night sky, its brilliance captivating all who gazed up. Across the galaxy, the moon's comforting light bathed the universe in a tranquil glow, guiding all below with its luminous grace. Twinkle shimmered with a melancholy light, yearning for a connection beyond the silent expanse of space. Night after night, Twinkle's luminance intensified, reaching out towards the moon with a silent plea for companionship. Witnessing Twinkle's earnest glow, the moon felt a stirring of empathy, a glimmer of connection binding their celestial hearts. In a breathtaking convergence, Twinkle and the moon merged their lights, illuminating the cosmos with a shared brilliance born of friendship. Together, Twinkle and the moon painted the night with a dazzling display, enchanting all who beheld the spectacle with a sense of wonder and delight. Amidst a mesmerized audience of stars and planets, Twinkle and the moon shone as beacons of enduring friendship, their bond a testament to the enduring power of connection. As the night deepened, the sky transformed into a canvas of friendship and illumination, the intertwined lights of Twinkle and the moon, a radiant reminder that even across vast distances, true connections endure.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.